Hey guys, Luke here. We're going to be doing some maintenance today on my hairpiece. I, believe it or not, have had this on for about a month now. It's the first time I'm going to be doing any kind of maintenance on a skin piece since I had a poly lace piece before this. So we're going to be using this Ghost Bond Platinum adhesive to be putting it back on. I've been scrubbing away at this for about 7 minutes now, and I got the most of it off. So next up is I'm going to give this a wash and try to get the rest of it completely off. Now that we've gotten the base pretty clear of all the adhesive, I'm going to give it a quick bath just to kind of condition the hair and get it nice and clean from all of the oils from my scalp and from the products that I use to style my hairpiece. So we're going to put in some shampoo. And we have to be gentle because we don't want to pull any hair out, especially since this is just a V-loop hair system, so the hair is a little bit easy to take out. And we just get the soap right in there with our fingers. Now it's time for a little bit of conditioner. I really like this conditioner, it seems to do a really good job. You don't need much. So now we can just leave this to dry. Now that I got some help from my partner to get the edges and the back, I'm going to go in and really make sure it's down to the skin with the shaver to make sure it sticks as well as possible. Now that that's done, we're going to apply the adhesive. This little Ghost Bond Platinum is the one that I have, and we're going to put that directly onto my scalp, and we're going to brush it on. So I just finished applying the first coat of adhesive. You can see it's starting to clear dry. So we're going to wait for the white to completely disappear, and then I'll apply another coat. And then I apply just a ring around the edge of the hairpiece. We don't have to do the whole hairpiece, just a ring around it. It takes less than a minute for the adhesive to dry, and then you can do another coat. We're just going to do 2 coats today. Now we're going to be applying a ring of adhesive around the hairpiece. It's still a little bit damp, but the hair is not soaking wet, so I think that should be fine. I'm going to do a ring here. So when you're done, it should look something like that. And we just wait for it to dry. Alright, now we're going to apply the piece onto my head, and I got some help for this because lining it up with the back can be a little bit challenging by yourself. So I got my partner to help me out. Let's get it on. And that's it. I'm pretty happy with the install. It seems to stay on pretty good right now, and it should continue to stay on for quite a while. I just have to kind of style it the way I want, but we're done. So that's the process.